Round 7 of the Hostplus Cup, the Central Queensland Capras up against the Wynnum Manly Seagulls at Brown Park in Rockhampton. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto.
Go, you go.
Young Broncos outside back Dean Mariner scored the opening try in just the 3rd minute for Wynnum Manly.
Keep going, mate. Yeah, happy, Colin, happy.
Brandon Roberts crossed for the Capras in the 14th minute.
3. That's right. Okay, the pass. Found it. 1-5. Happy.
Midway through the first half and the Capras had their second try of the game. Blake Moore crossing.
Found it.
Then in the 32nd minute, Wynnum hit back. Deloise Hoyter with this 4-pointer.
Pass is okay. We got a penalty advantage. Yeah, okay, Jake? Yeah, I'm happy.
At the break, Wynnum were in front, 12 points to 10. Brandon Roberts grabbed his second try of the game 5 minutes into the second half when he scored for the Capras.
Happy.
Then the 52nd minute, Deloise Hoyter had his second as Wynnum Manly crossed.
It comes off the ground player and it goes backwards, that's okay.
Then the 62nd minute, Bailey Butler scored this try for the Capras and it ended up being the match winner.
Yeah, it's just alright. He's always just a ball. Go, one line! Yes, no more, 10. 110. Arms out.
A thrilling contest in Rockhampton. The Capras too strong for Wynnum Manly, 22 points to 16. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.